Hello, today I'm going to show you a simple painting pole pruner that I've made out of some of my painting equipment. And there's a close-up of the painting pole pruner in action, cutting through that branch. There it is. It's just all I have is a painter's extension pole that extends from 1.8 meters through to 3.6 meters, so it's quite long. And on the end is a threaded section, and onto that end, then I attach this paintbrush holder. But rather than having a paintbrush in it, I've got a pruning saw bolted into that paintbrush holder, and that's where the paintbrush would have been if I was using it for painting. But rather than the paintbrush, then I've added a pruning saw blade to it. And the pruning saw just comes from, the blade actually just comes from a regular pruning saw. I've just taken off the handle, and yeah, it fits in there perfectly into that paintbrush holder. And there we go. It just there's a thread inside that yellow piece, and you just screw it on and attach it to the painter's extension pole. Okay, so there's on the left is the painting extension pole, and on the right is my old telescopic pruner. And you can see there as I go along that the telescopic pruner, the old one, is only that long, and that's where my old pruning saw used to be attached to it. But as I pan away, then you'll see how much longer the painter's extension pole is, rather than the usual telescopic pruner. And one of the great things about the painter's extension pole is that any pruning saw blade will bolt into that paint brush holder at the end, where with that telescopic one on the right, once your blade became blunt, it was very hard to find a blade, or I couldn't find a blade that fitted back on that telescopic pruner. So that's why I started looking around and discovered how I could attach it to my painter's extension pole. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.